Hello, I am Shravanti and I want to tell a story of a flower today. The story came to me a few days ago. I was just sitting and I closed my eyes. And then, after minute or two, I saw a path leading to a green grassland. At the end of the path, there was a land full of green grass. And in that on that in that field, there was a big tree. There were some bushes, and I saw a small flower. Then the flower became bigger, and it was a purple flower, beautiful. And the story starts here. The flower just bloomed from its bud, and it was looking around. It looked above. There was a blue sky. It was a bright sunny day. There were white clouds. The flower was very happy. It said, "Oh, so beautiful. I wish I could reach there." Then the flower saw a small bird, and the bird sat on a bush. The flower thought, "Oh, the bird is there. How beautiful is the bird, and how green the bush is." The flower tried to go to the bush, but she couldn't move. And she thought, "Oh, I cannot go there. How lovely the bush is. It's green. And I am not green. I'm only purple. And the bush is so big, but I'm only a tiny flower." And then she looked at the tree. She heard some song, and she found some people were coming to the tree. They were singing. They put some offerings to the tree. They went around the tree with a song. "Oh, you the tree, you give us fruit. We have brought offerings for you. You keep us happy, and you give us shade in the sun. We're so happy with you. Please take our offerings." So they sang, and I was quite surprised. "Oh, the people, what did they do?" She tried to look around. She called a person. She called those people. And nobody looked at her. Everybody turned around. And she felt very sad. She didn't like the way she was. She hated her small pattern. "Oh, they're so thin. And I'm not green. I don't like this color. I want to be green. Oh, and I'm so small. I just want to be the tree. It's so big, and the people came to it, worshipped it. It is just like a hero. I want to be that tree. How can I be the tree? I'm so small. I cannot be the tree." She was just looking around, and she was just looked at the ground. "Why are you so sad?" Suddenly, she heard a voice, and somebody asked her. She saw a small black creature. "Who are you?" "I am a honeybee. I have come to see you." "To see me?" "Yes, you are so lovely, so bright, and you have such a nice smell." "Me? You mean me?" "Yes, you. It's you. But I don't like all these things of mine. I don't like this purple color. I want to be green. I want to be like that tree. That tree, so that big tree. Why? To understand. It's so big. I saw some people are worshipping it. So what? I want to be a big tree. I want to be a hero. I want to be somebody who people will admire. But it was so pretty. No, I just called the people to me and the people didn't notice me. They just left away. But I have come to you. Just look around. So many friends are there. Why are you so sad? Oh, just look around. And the flower looked around. She found so many flowers around her. And the bee told her, you see, so many friends, and I feel you are the prettiest one. But why are you so sad? Well, just look up. So the flowers just got up. And suddenly a flower next to her told her, oh, you come. We are dancing. And why were you sleeping for for long? Come, we will play and dance. And the bees will sing for us. So the flower started dancing and the birds came. And the flower was so happy. And she realized she was really just losing her time. And she suddenly realized how happy she was. And she was dancing in joy. She danced in joy. Thank you. Thank you.